Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy John Wong here, back again with another video. And today we're going over the craziest sneaker birthday gift haul ever. So as always, if you guys have not seen my most recent video where I take two really beat up sneakers and I use Reshoevn8r to basically restore them, make sure to go check it out afterwards. I'll have a link up above and in the description down below. And again, if you guys are trying to save yourself a little bit of extra money, I'll make sure to include my discount code in the description down below. And in today's video, we're going over a bunch of different gifts that I got for my birthday. So my birthday was about 2 weeks ago, and my friends actually surprised me with the celebration, and I was really grateful for that. It wasn't something that I was expecting, but a lot of them ended up gifting me a lot of different things that were relevant towards sneakers. You know, they know that I have a YouTube channel. They know I love sneakers. I'm a huge sneakerhead. So I think a lot of them decided to give me stuff that I personally would enjoy. You know, my intention for this video isn't to show off or to brag, but I do have a sneaker YouTube channel where all I talk about is shoes, and I just thought that all of these gifts were very relevant towards the content that I make, so why not make a video on everything that I got? Alright, so I think that by now, whether you are a really close friend of mine or you don't really know me, I think everybody knows that when it comes to any gift ideas for me, I would never say no to a pair of sneakers. Now, most of my friends are not going to buy me a pair of shoes, and I'm not gonna ask them to do that. Obviously, because one, it is expensive, and two, I know that for many of them, it's kind of like a cop-out. You know, like they want to be creative with it, they want to put thought. So a lot of people do try to avoid getting me sneakers. However, when it comes to a pair of sneakers that I've talked about wanting in the past, and my friends put thought into getting that pair for me, it does mean a lot. And the first gift we're going over today happens to be a pair of sneakers. And this one is from a bunch of different people. So I believe it's from Gabe, Lizzie, Justin, Timo, Chris, and then another Justin. So a whole bunch of people chipped in to get me a pair of sneakers. And let's open up the box and see which one it is. I mean, obviously I know which one it is. I did a whole unboxing already with my friends. But as always, we got the box open. And in 3, 2, 1, sheesh! Yes, sir! You guys see it right here. We do have the On Cloud Monsters. So for those of you guys who have been a part of my channel now, you do know that I've been talking about On Cloud for a long time. Over the last couple of years, On has just been one of the leading sneaker brands in terms of comfort and durability. A lot of people often wear them for running and performance, but they're also a great lifestyle sneaker as well. And I've always talked about wanting to own a pair of On Clouds. I just never got around to it. Obviously, my friends heard me out. They know that this is something that I wanted to try out for the longest time, and they got me the On Cloud Monsters. And for those of you guys who are not very familiar with On Cloud as a brand, the Cloud Monsters are one of their most comfortable silhouettes that they have out there. And yeah, this is a very comfortable shoe. I tried it on, and this is definitely worth the hype. Now, I'm not gonna do a whole sneaker review on the Cloud Monsters today. That will be for a future video, so stay tuned for that. After this, I'm gonna do full sneaker reviews of shoes that I got for my birthday, so you're definitely gonna see other ones in this video as well. But first off, we do have the On Cloud Monsters. Definitely a sneaker that I was very excited to get, and especially in this white and gray colorway, very, very versatile. Very, very nice. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot in the summertime. Again, shout out to Gabe, Lizzie, Chris, Justin, and Timo for making this possible. You guys are the best. Very, very grateful for my pair of Ons. All right, the next gift is not a pair of sneakers, but this is something that Lizzie got for me when I hit 1,000 subscribers. And she never really got around to giving me this, but still, she gave this to me on my birthday. And I thought this was a very, very nice gift. So I don't know if this is actually going to reveal what's in the box when I lift off the lid, but let's see it. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you definitely not be able to see that. And there's styrofoam and everything, but I'm gonna show you guys what it is. It's really cool. So obviously you guys can see this LED remote and then this LED stand. I'm gonna show you guys the plaque because it's really, really cool. All right, so obviously because this is transparent, I'm gonna hold it in front of a box so that you guys can see the words on it much easier. And it says, presented to @the_real_John Wong for passing 1,000 subscribers. And it's a little customized plaque that she made for me. It's very, very nice. Lizzie has just been supporting me in my endeavors when it comes to YouTube for many, many years now, ever since I pretty much started. So I'm very, very grateful for this. Nonetheless, I'm still grateful for all of you supporting my channel, whether if it's your first time here or you've been with me since the beginning. But this is really, really cool. But even better, let's take a look at what it looks like with the LED light plugged into it. I actually haven't lit it up yet, so this is my first time, as well as yours. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a bit. Let me get the setup first. All right, so I did have to play around with the wiring because there's wires all over the place. And the only plug that's closest to the camera is the one that's plugged into my ring light, so I had to rearrange all that. That's why you see this whole thing sticking out right here, but we're gonna switch it out in just a bit, okay? But we have it plugged in. We're gonna plug it in right now, actually. All right, so we put this in the back. Whoa, look at that. That is so cool. Oh, and it changes colors as well. Now, I believe with the LED light, it also comes with the remote, so I can change out the colors as well. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. So if I want my plaque to be red, I have to turn it on first. If I want it to be red, there we go. That's so cool. So yeah, this is really, really nice. This is definitely going to be featured in the back of my video. It's just showing like an achievement of mine that I got 1,000 subs is something that I really want to show off. I kind of have something a little bit simplistic here where Jasmine made me this 1K sign. I don't know if you guys can see it all too well, but now I have this LED plaque and it's so cool. I get to change the colors. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it plugged into the light when I'm filming, but this is definitely gonna be featured somewhere here. So shout out to Lizzie. I'm just so thankful for all of your support and all of your love. I think that this is a very, very cool gift. I would have never expected it. So this is the second gift that I got for my birthday. All right, next up, let's go into another pair of sneakers. Now, this one was gifted to me by my boy Khalid, and this one was a sneaker that I honestly wasn't expecting at all. You know, when it comes to New Balance, I don't own too many of their sneakers, but I still really like them as a brand. So let's pop open the box in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got the paper for this one, but we didn't have it for the On Clouds. But in 3, 2, 1, shit! You still can't see it, man. In 3, 2, 1, sheesh! Yes, sir! As you guys can see, we do have the New Balance 550s in this burgundy and cream colorway. I love the quality of the sneakers. I love the suede. I love the felt on it. And this burgundy is just a really nice touch to it. Khalid knows that my favorite color is red, so I think he was thinking about that, and I really appreciate him putting the thought into this sneaker. I already own a pair of 550s. I own the Amelie Indoors, but this is definitely something that I can wear on the more casual side. I like the 550s a lot. I think they're a very safe sneaker. Again, I'm gonna do a whole review on this in another video in the future, but I just love the color scheme on this. I love the maroon that's complemented with the cream and the little tints of navy blue. I feel like navy blue and maroon just go so well together. I love the red, white, and blue aesthetic to anything. Again, shout out to Khalid for gifting me the sneaker. I really appreciate our friendship, our growth. You know, I've known Khalid for a long, long time, and I really appreciate that he put thought into this sneaker. So again, this is a really great gift. I just love all my friends so much for what they do for me. I really don't deserve it, guys. All right, moving on to the next gift. This is not actually something that's sneaker related, but it's something that I'm a huge fan of. It's a show that I love to watch. And I think that featuring this on my channel is also very appropriate as well, given that I love to express my opinions and my interests and my hobbies. This comes from my boy Miguel. So we do have boom, boom. For those of you guys who don't know who this is Mirio or Lemillion from My Hero Academia. And yeah, My Hero Academia is just an amazing anime to watch. Me and him watched it a lot in college, and this is awesome. I mean, I love this a lot. I love Lemillion. He is one of the coolest characters on the show. He's always like, power! Power! And I can't believe I just did that. But, you know, he's so cool. And whenever me and Miguel were watching this, we were always just laughing, having a good time. So for the fact that he gifted this to me is extra sentimental. I love this a lot. I don't know if this is actually going to be in the back in my display right here, but maybe at work I'll put this on my desk. I think this is a very nice decorative piece. I'm still thinking about where to put it, but I'm very grateful for something like this. Thank you, Miguel, so much. Shout out to you, and for always, again, supporting the channel as well. And I almost forgot, the second part to Miguel's gift as well is this My Hero Academia jersey. So on the front, it says UA High and 1A on the bottom. And then you see Deku in his vigilante form. I love this artwork. I think it's very, very cool. We flip over to the back. We see Deku, and then his number is 1A. So this is something that is so cool. I love like anime themed stuff. I think that I'm not like a huge anime nerd or a weeaboo, or whatever you want to call it, but you know, I still love like the certain animes that I watch. I think that My Hero Academia is honestly one of my favorite ones of all time. So when I'm at the gym and I'm needing that extra push for lifting stuff, I'm going to wear this jersey and I'm going to just shout, yeah, you guys are seeing a different side of me that you don't normally see. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm sweating in this video. It's so hot, guys. Like, I literally am filming and today is 105 degrees outside. So this is tough, I'm not gonna lie. Now, if you guys do appreciate my commitment and determination to make it big on YouTube, I would very much appreciate it if you guys can leave a like for me, as well as join my Turntable Gang, subscribe, and just become part of our community. All right, and this last and final gift that I'm going over for this video is honestly one of the coolest gifts that I've gotten of all time. This was something that I really was not expecting, but I've been wanting for a while. I haven't really entertained the thought of getting it for a long time, just because I really didn't think that I would ever get my hands on it. But my friends Christina and Andrew, shout out to them, they were able to make this possible. So let's take it out. In 3, 2, 1, boom! Yeah, you guys might know what this is. You may not know what this is, but this is very, very cool. And I think it's upside down, actually. I'm gonna set it up for you guys. And once you guys see this in full effect, how it works, you guys are gonna be amazed by it. All right, so I plugged it in and we're turning it on. And we're actually going to get one of my sneakers. And I think the best sneaker to get in this instant has to be the Travis Scott's, the Grail sneaker of my collection. All right, we have the Travis's, and then we have this magnet right here. We're gonna put the magnet inside the sneaker, and then boom! What? Let's turn it first. All right, so the Travis is actually a little bit too big. It keeps hitting the edge of it. All right, so maybe we'll switch out the Travis's, but for a smaller shoe, one that's not necessarily so bulky, we can still do the Travis's. We'll just do another colorway and in the low cut. All right, so we'll have the olives here. Right, let's put the magnet inside the sneaker, and then boom! You guys see this? The sneaker is literally levitating, and there is no string. All right, I'm promising you guys that there is nothing that is attached to the shoe. It's not hanging by any thread, right? This is all magnetic. It's so cool. This is like honestly something that I saw a lot of YouTubers owning in the past. You know, I saw Richie Lee with this, and I thought like, hey, I think this would be really cool if I ever got my own. But after a while, the thought just kind of left my head and I kind of forgot about it. But Christine and Andrew, you guys made this possible for me. You got this, and I just don't know what to say. This is so cool. This is definitely, again, going to be in my display in the background. Now, for those of you guys who don't know, Christina also gifted me my turntable a couple years back. And you guys already know I've been using the turntable for a long time, pretty much in every single one of my sneaker reviews. Without the turntable, I would not be where I am today. Christina, you have contributed so much to my channel, and especially now that, you know, you and Andrew are married, I thank you so much for all that you guys do for me. So as you guys see right here, we have the turntable going, and then we have the levitating thing going on. So, you know, for those of you guys who don't know, the reason why I'm always saying turntable gang is because of Christina's turntable, of me just like always showcasing a sneaker on a turntable whenever I'm doing a review on them. But now we could even showcase sneakers on the levitation device. So we can be the levitating gang as well. I don't know, what do you guys think? I personally think that turntable gang has more of a ring to it. But now we are the floating sneaker gang. So this is so cool. And I could play with this all day. This is like the best toy in the world. So again, shout out to Christina and Andrew. Thank you so much. I know I've probably said it so many times already, but this is so cool. All right, y'all, so these are pretty much all the gifts I wanted to showcase for this video that I got for my birthday. Again, shout out to all my friends for making this possible. I appreciate you so much. Yeah, you guys are the best, and thank you for sticking around to the end of this video if you guys have been watching. Now, I'll like to hear from you guys. Which one of these gifts that I showcased in my video is your personal favorite? I want to know what you guys have to say, so leave a comment down below. And whichever gift that you end up picking, I'll make sure to let my friends know to reassure them that they got really good taste as well. And as always, if you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button because more will be on the way. Again, this is the craziest birthday gift haul for sneakers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.